Yes, hello. In today's video, I will show, well, in today's video is more of a proof of concept, but I already created the tables and I will publish to be refreshed every day because we have everyday incoming data. So I tried to create a one single table in just one query, but the machine ran out of memory. So I added the data every by doing the query for every 10 years. The machine has 64 gigs of memory, but even so, the page file ran out of disk space, and I don't want to touch the page file settings. So it consumed all 64 gigabytes and then started consuming page file from the hard disk. But anyway, that's too much information. Anyway, let me show what's the current table. Yes, this is the main table with the stock prices for select. I'm not sure. Distinct count from stocks. Let me see if I. No, yes, it didn't. Anyway, let me check on. I don't know. I have 43 million rows. Oh, sure. Uh, Ticker. How do I get the distinct? Oh, I don't know. Yes, so I have 12,204 unique tickers. From that, I have 43 million rows of data with opening price and closing price. And this is the newly created table. For the newly created table, I have 288 million rows. And this is only from 2000. I guess, no, it's not that I guess. This should be enough from 2000 onwards. So what's the information, what's the new information on this table? Is the minimum, is the lowest and the highest on this year and this month. So for this ticker, the lowest the lowest closing price of May of 2024 was this value, and the highest was this value, and so on and so forth. Of course, as you've noticed, we are in May, so this calculation needs to be made every day after new data is added. I won't, I will not use any triggers. I will just add one more step in my SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services. So whenever the data is already loaded, I will add this step for recalculating all the lowest and highest for the current month. Yeah, oh yes, it is just for the current month. And the Power BI file is already set up as incremental refresh. Yes, so what do we have here? Yes, here, oh, as you can see, I have here the minimum and the lowest and the highest already set up in one row for one ticker, 1 year, and 1 month. But originally, this is how it was first extracted. Very simple with over partition by date and month. Very simple, quite a short script, quite a short query. It's a short query, but because we have 43 million rows, it will have lots of data to calculate from. So that's why I had to query the data for every 10 years. So I could insert into the main table from every 10 years of data. Anyway, this is, let's say, the first part, getting the lowest for each month of each ticker. Year by year, over partition. Yes, that's it. And but I don't have here the ticker. Don't I need? Oh, anyway. Yes, this is the lowest. And then here I have the full query for the lowest, adding into a temp table. Oh yes, this is CTE, a second CTE. Do I join? Yes, joining the CTEs here and inserting in a temp table. And then I repeat the operation for the highest or max. Did I use the same? Yes, I used the same name, but yes, here CT0, CT stocks, and then I'm adding it in a temp table max. So, oh yes, and on this part, I'm joining everything by year and by month on ticker, and then yes, selecting and finally doing the insert to our main table. Yes, if this is, because this is getting just for the current month, it won't take long, I think. Yes, that's it. Great, but why? Oh yes, yes, yes. No, I'm still getting repeated values. Why is that? Oh, no, 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 it's not repeated values, but no, this is not right. This query is not right at all. Anyway, I will check on that later. Perhaps when I separated all the steps, something went wrong. Anyway, okay. This will be in here. We can check how many records for the how many rows we have for the current month, which is, was it 19 million? Like, I think so. Yes, I'm sorry, 191 million rows. Yes. And if we just we can just delete the records for the current month, and then run the full query again. Yes, that's it. Oh, that's why I had more records than I expected. Yes, I have to recheck this one. Oh, I see. Yes, that's perhaps why I had more rows than I expected. Well, I see. Yes. Yes, it's added. So let's go to Power BI. This is the report. I have 288 million rows. Let me just make some small adjustments here. Yeah, that's it. Let's see here, financial sector. Yeah, that's it. So I have the lowest and highest chart for 2024. Yes, 2024. Let's see. Nice. Nice, that's it. Okay, as long as we are here, let me just show the settings for the incremental refresh. Range start, range end. It has to be date and time based on this column. Yeah. Filtered rows. Yes, that's it. And you can check. This should be, if everything is right, this should be clickable. View native query. Yes, and then incremental refresh. Yes. We are using this record. Nice. Yes, this is the from the Power BI side. Now, what else? I had one more thing to show. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go to the last step. Come on, come on. Let's try to open SSIS. Oh, okay. Come on, come on, come on. We are waiting for you. Let's pause this. Yes, here we go. Load, load. Where should we add the new step? Let me first copy the whole. Oh no, first let me copy the step. Rename, update, lowest, highest. Now let's copy the whole query. And then after what? Yes, we can do it here. Nice. So just as a disable, enable, and let's run just this one. To check if it goes through or not. It probably will. Yes, nice. As you can see here, this is very nice. If let me stop it. If in this step something goes wrong, I get notified. Enable. So this one and this one I disabled because I'm not using anymore. Yes, I guess that's it. Great. Oh yes, I should get back to this. Yes, yeah. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.